to eternity.
Yeah. So, ito na po. And so, ayan. Wow! This is the Garden of Eden. So, see, it has here sila, Adam and Eve. See? And then, this is the Noah's Ark. No? It was so nice, so beautiful, and talaga namang pang pilgrimage talaga siya kasi nandito yung ng Bible, Noah's Ark. Ito yung Ark. Ito yung Ark, and then the Ten Commandments, and Baba Moses is here, ayan. So ayan yung Ten Commandments, ayan. Okay,
Wala naman yan doon sa taas.
ayan yung mga animals na included doon sa Noah's Ark. So, syempre, akayantin natin. Ayan. Mga ginawa nila.
Okay.
So, this is the replica of the Noah's Ark. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan si Noah. That's Baba Noah. So, syempre bago tayo guys umakyat sa sa sacred place, kailangan muna natin daanan itong mga lugar na to kasi ito na yung part ng Bible. So, ang ganda niya, diba? Only here in Garin Pilgrimage.
Ito dapat honor thy father and mother.
So, alam na naman ninyo kung ano yung Ten Commandments, diba? Ayan. So, guys, we will begin going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, this is the nativity, the birth of Jesus Christ. So, ayan siya. Meron din siyang ganyan. So, ito yung sa birth of our Lord Jesus Christ with the 3 kings and the shepherds.